exposing the real reason behind Chrome's ER_quick_protocol_error, and how you can squash it for good. Stick around if you're tired of error screens. First, let's disable the culprit quick. Open Chrome, type Chrome/flags in the address bar, and press Enter. Search Experimental Quick Protocol, switch it to Disabled, and relaunch Chrome. Still seeing the error? No worries. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected, and if not, try restarting your modem or router. Wired or wireless, sometimes switching helps. If Chrome's still cranky, clear your cache and cookies. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete, select All Time, check the boxes, and hit Clear Data. Extensions could be the bad guys. Go to Chrome/extensions and turn them all off. If Chrome works now, turn them back on one at a time to find the sneaky troublemaker. Still stuck? Check your proxy settings, or update Chrome by going to Chrome/settings/help. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall Chrome.